Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. I'm doing my savings challenges today for the first week of February. Got my hot tea here, kind of thirsty. It is strawberry, raspberry and cranberry, and it's really nice. It's the Sainsbury's brand herbal tea. Really nice. And I've got £140 here. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 20, 30, 40. I'll just put this here. I thought of completing the savings challenge today, but I won't sort of restrict myself. I'm just going to carry on as usual. Now I'm going to start with Grab a Book. This is from Frugality is Life, and each book is £2, so I've coloured in 10, which is £20, and I'm going to put £20 in today. I so enjoy colouring in. So I keep saying Bag a Book. I don't know why. I've just got in my head it's Bag a Book, but obviously you can see it is Grab a Book. I don't know what's wrong with me. So it gets 20 today. And the Autumn Leaves. This is from One Frugal Introvert, and I have coloured in 2 leaves. They're £10 each, so it will get £20 as well. This £80 puzzle piece is by One Frugal Introvert as well, and it gets £20. Each puzzle piece is £2. So I should have coloured in a row. I thought I did, but obviously not. So I will just put this £20 in and then colour it in a bit. I did colour it in. Can you see? It's rubbed off inside the wallet. It's all coloured in, the blue, but once I take it out the wallet, look, it's disappeared off the card. So I'm going to have to do that again and leave it out to dry. It was colouring pencil though. Didn't think colouring pencil would come off like that. The Rainy Day Wellington boots have been coloured in as well. 2 pairs. Each pair is £10 each, or £5 per boot. So I have done 2 pairs, so that's going to get £20 as well. Now the fruit and veg, I love these fruit and veg. These are from Frugality is Life as well. What's happened here? Okay. And I've coloured in the grapes. They get in £10. The grapes, the fruits, are getting £10. And the vegetables, the sweet peppers, I've coloured in 2, and that's getting £10 as well. And I should have £40 left, and it's going into my Save 24 in 24. You know that I am hard on this. I am not joking with this one. So £40 is going in there. Let's just colour that in so I know. £40, great. And we will put that in here. And that is that for another week of savings challenges. That's it for me, and I will see you on the next round. Take care of your good selves. I hope you're all doing okay, and I hope your budgeting is going well for this brand new year as well. Take care and see you back soon. Bye for now.